Justin, nobody likes to read anymore. So let's take 2 minutes here real fast and explain to customers exactly what a Golden Eagle log or timber home is going to cost and how we go from package price to build price.
Yeah, the first number you're going to see on the website underneath the plan is going to be the black bold one, and that's going to be the complete package cost. So that's going to be all the materials from Golden Eagle, obviously all the exterior materials, kitchen cabinetry, interior doors, plumbing fixtures. The second number you'll see is an approximately turnkey number, an approximate completely built cost. So if you see, let's say, a package cost of $200,000, you may see a completely built cost or turnkey number then of $520,000. So, and then the question I get is, well, how did I get from 200 to 520? Well, really you need to add in your excavation, your foundation, your plumbing, electrical, air conditioner, furnace, the labor to build the home. So all those components added on top of the most complete package in the industry gets you to that turnkey number, that really all important, completely built turnkey number that you're looking for.
And the turnkey number is going to fluctuate based upon regions of which people are building, right? East Coast, West Coast, mountains, flatland, that kind of stuff. So really it's important for customers that if you're looking to build a home, somewhere between the 400,000 and up, give us a call. We'll kind of go through some preliminary questions, establish that ballpark, and really get you what the package and the most important turnkey cost is going to be.
That's the best way to do it.